Hari Om. Welcome everybody in this beautiful rainy evening here in Bharat, in India. So in this evening, as I was preparing for my Sanskrit studies, I thought that I will share a wonderful story in Sanskrit, which is a very short story but packed with a great wisdom. So I just wanted to share this with you. So I will read out the Sanskrit first, and then I will tell the meaning of each line. Katha. Katha means story. Buddhiman Shirshyaha. The intelligent disciple. The name of the story. Kashi Nagare Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. In the city of Kashi, there lived a great scholar. Panditaha is scholar. Pandita Samipam Ekaha Shishyaha Agachati. A student comes to him. Shishyaha Vadati Acharya Vidyabhyasartham Aham Agataha. O teacher, I have come here to receive knowledge from you. Panditaha Shishya Buddhi Parikshartham Prichati. The great scholar, the Pandit, wanted to ask a question to testify the capability of the student to be his disciple, to be his student, right? So he asked, Vatsa Devaha Putra Asti. O son, where is God? Where is the divine? Shishyaha Vadati, the disciple said, Guru, Devaha Kutra Nasti, Kripaya Bhavan Eva Samadhanam Vadatu. Then the student instead asked the teacher, Guru, O teacher, O Guru, Devaha Putra Nasti. Where is the divine not present? Kripaya Bhavan Eva Samadhanam Vadatu. Please tell me the solution for this question. Santushtaha Guruhu Vadati. The content teacher said, Devaha Sarvatra Asti. The divine is everywhere. Devaha Sarvavyapi. The divine is omnipresent. Sarvavyapi means it's all pervading. The divine is everywhere. Tvam Buddhiman. You are intelligent. Wow, so much flashing going on. Tvam Buddhiman. You are intelligent. Ataha Vidyabhyasartham Atraiva Vasa. Therefore, to receive knowledge, you stay here only in the Guru's Gurukul. So basically, as we see as a moral of this story, back in those ancient days in the Vedic system, there was this Gurukula system. Gurukula system is where a student will come to their teacher's residence, to the teacher's abode in their ashram to seek their studentship, to seek the knowledge from the Guru. And the Guru would decide, would testify. So back in those days, there were no examination or no entrance exam or something. So the Guru would testify the student's knowledge by asking some deep philosophical question and see what the student answers. So this was one such incident. And one thing to note here is also that back in those days, the eligibility of a student was neither their caste, color, creed, their social status, their wealth status, their gender, none of that. The only requirement to become a student was their deep interest and their wisdom. So this was the short katha named Buddhiman Shishyaha, the intelligent disciple. So I wanted to share this wonderful story in Sanskrit with some deep philosophical message. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon in the next video with the next story. Hari Om, thank you, and enjoy your wonderful morning and evening. Goodbye.